here we go. Here we are again. We are at the Waikiki Cache 3. Here it is. Got it. And it was right underneath here. You see that was right here. So we got that one. So we'll log it in, and we'll take you on a tour of a spot that was world famous at one time. And this was an open air market called the International Marketplace. And they take you into a place that is world famous. And during the 40s and 50s and 60s, all the way up to 88 or 89, it was an open marketplace. And if you go on Google and you look up the old Trader Vic's restaurant in Honolulu, you'll see that old Trader Vic's was in a treehouse. And there was a very large banyan tree between the buildings here. Between those buildings, and between those buildings right there, it was about halfway down, and they built a restaurant in it, and it was just very unique. When my wife and I first got here in Hawaii in '88, first place we wanted to go was there. We'd heard so much about it. They used to have the Coke or soft drink mugs that looked like pineapples, and they looked like parrots, and they had all kinds of unique designs for these soda mugs, and you could take them home. You could buy a soda, take the mug with you when you left, and it was very good. They used to have kiosks in here where you could buy stuff from literally all over the world. They had Russian stuff here, they had German stuff, mostly Orient, but they had places that were from all over the world. So anyway, let's take a walk through there. Now, as you can see, the International Marketplace is covered. And they've got all kinds of different stores in here. And it's more of a covered mall. And they've still got the food places in here like they used to have. But it's part of the Hyatt Grand Vacations. Now this is all new. Probably about 10, 15 years old, but it's new to me. Because this is actually the first time I've been here. Do you remember the old marketplace? Remember Trader Vic's? Oh boy, that was the first time we came here.
I bet you missed that place.
I do. Oh, what a wonderful surprise. What a wonderful surprise. This used to be where Trader Vic's was. Right in here. They have new palm trees and new banyan trees now. But this is actually the spot where that big tree was. And the big stump was all through here. And it had a ladder coming from there, a wooden step ladder that would come up the side of the tree and right up to the top, and you'd go in and eat. Yeah. This is a statue of Queen Emma. One of the queens in Hawaii back in the mid to late 1800s. Stage for hula dancing. I'm just going to go over your head here. This is Kamehameha IV and Prince Albert. Oh, he's not in a can. Hey. I know, bad joke. And they have dancing waters here, which are not dancing. Well, this saddens me. Now, there used to be, all through the center whole area here, there used to be banyan trees all over through here. And all of the different kiosks were here, all spread around the different areas here. And I remember this guy back in 1988 when we came in Hawaii, because that was the entrance. This guy was here to greet everyone. And it's still here greeting everyone. What a wonderful way to preserve this tree. Leave it here. This thing's probably about 500 years old. The entrance that would normally go through, which was the main entrance, International Marketplace. I'm going to show you a statue of a friend of mine that we met in 1990. And it is Don Ho. And he was at Duke's nightclub. He sang Tiny Bubbles, I'll Remember You. Okay, and he used to come down here and sing, and we met, my wife and I met Don Ho when we were down here, and he was old. He was 17 years before he died. He used to sing down here for the folks when they had a stage down here, and he was a really nice guy. We never did go to his house, or we never were really buddies because he was a superstar basically, but we met him and we talked to him and we had lunch with him, and he was really a good guy. And he was personable. He would greet everybody. owned by individuals that used to make their stuff or have their stuff shipped over from wherever it was they were from. And it's just gone corporate like this. So aloha, and we'll catch you later.